This time on DawgStrip, we go ice racing with the Hamster, our chopped and shortened Ford Festiva. With spiked ice racing tires, this time it was epic.
For a quick recap, the Hamster is our very first DawgStrip project car, going all the way back into the wee years of 2015, when we chopped and shortened a Ford Festiva. Since then, she has taken us on many adventures, and has continued to evolve along the way.
For this adventure, we're getting up early. The driver's meeting is at 8 a.m. and we live 2 hours away. So, that makes this a brisk 6 a.m. February morning.
Wait.
It's chilly! It's a whole lot of chili!
Once trackside, we have to change out our front wheels for these super aggressive studded ice racing tires. When the tire shop mounted them for us, they only had one tube, which means we now must deal with this between races by topping up that ever-escaping air pressure.
And now we start our day with practice laps.
I'm staying here on the ground.
So what we're doing here is Ice X. Basically, autocross on ice. Cars going around the track one at a time trying to beat the clock. A wide range of vehicles attend with different classes for two-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. Also for studded tires and non-studded tires. Now, let's go racing. Riding as passenger is Stefan, honorary DawgStrip member and cameraman.
Not bad at all.
Okay. Holy shit, you drift.
Yeah, but you never lost it.
No. Okay, that was fun.
Does somebody have an ice scraper? One time I didn't have the visors down, my face gets covered in snow.
She's never done anything this crazy before. This is cool.
Good to hear. You have fun on the ice. I'll stay on the ground.
That's not ground.
Yeah, so I did.
It's very icy ground.
Very icy ground. Frank, first time in a Hamster. How is it?
I needed help get into this thing. It has no doors.
For this second round of practice laps, we take Frank as passenger, my father. It's the first time he's ever ridden in the Hamster, so now let's go throw him around a little.
Go!
Ice X is a sport growing in popularity. The average car is eligible to compete. All you need are winter tires, a race helmet, and you are good to go. The roster was a wide range, from experienced rally drivers to the first-time novice. It's hard not to smile when you're going sideways on ice. Today was a good day.
Too much. We'd like to give a shout out to Aaron from Boost Barn Motorsports for the fantastic drone footage and for letting us use it. Now it's time for Damien in the passenger seat as we give the main track a few goes in the mighty Hamster.
Your mind is going to be blown. I think we hit one or two.
Roger, 2 additional cones on the car number 4 itty bitty guy.
And with that, race day is over. About 8 hours on the ice, in near freezing conditions, so you could enjoy that 10-minute highlight reel. If this sort of thing seems interesting to you, be sure to check out the Speed Goat Motorsports, and we will see you on the ice next season.
While packing up the Hamster, we came across the source of those angry sounds. The racing studs were chewing their way through the frame rails. Oh well, that's a problem for future DawgStrip. Once on the move, it seems to be Frank's mighty 4-wheel drive SUV that's having issues with the snow.
Oh no. Frank stuck.
We didn't get the name of these helpful folks, but thank you for the push. Next time on DawgStrip,
We more Cadillac.
we get back to Project Dreadnought, a 1964 Cadillac Fleetwood mounted onto a motorhome chassis. This time around, we only have a week to get Dreadnought rolling before the BC Gambler 500 event. Do you like what you see? Do you love what we're doing? Show your support by giving us a thumbs up. Subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video.
Excuse me, do you have any gray poop hole?
Sorry, fresh out.